don't shine corruption, man. Babylon built up on lies and greed, but every seed was good, it still have to breed. My granny say, take it easy, son, watch your step. Still me eye them open, me now sleep, me now pep. When wicked get loud, truth get louder. Still a clean conscience, strong like a mountain hill. Them self-fear like rum, one the young them misled. But knowledge of the lantern when the night time bleed. Me walk with me chest up, my soul on fire. Every righteous brother and sister getting higher. So hold firm now, no sell your breath. Jah put wisdom in a the wound and death. When the dark crowd roar, we answer with light. One love, one mind, we ready for the fight. Fire against evil, fire. Burn the lies, burn the wire. Fire against evil, fire. Truth stand up and never tire. Fire against evil, fire. Love of the shield, faith of the spire. Fire against evil, fire. Jah light blaze from me desire. See every star, come fi test the root. If the tree stay grounded, it will bear good fruit. No bow to the dollar, no bow to the shame. Me not trade me soul for a pretty name. Them want lock the mind with a chain made a talk, but a free thought move like a lion in a the park. One man pain can teach a whole nation heal. One pure word can make a broken spirit feel. Me know say the road rough, me know say the hill steep. Still the strongest river are the one we run deep. So me give thanks for the bread and the breath, and me use every sunrise for conquer death. So hold firm now, no sell your breath. Jah put wisdom in a the wound and death. When the dark crowd roar, we answer with light. One love, one mind, we ready for the fight. Fire against evil, fire. Burn the lies, burn the wire. Fire against evil, fire. Truth stand up and never tire. Fire against evil, fire. Love of the shield, faith of the spire. Fire against evil, fire. Jah light blaze from me desire. Listen now me brethren, life is a little school. If you act like a fool, you get fooled by the fool. But the humble man rise where the proud man fall, and the weak in a spirit can still stand tall. So me pray for the enemy, ask them for change. Cause hatred get cold and compassion get strange. Yet if them choose darkness, we not run, we not hide. We just keep the flame alive deep inside. Fire against evil, fire. Burn the lies, burn the wire. Fire against evil, fire. Truth stand up and never tire. Fire against evil, fire. Love of the shield, faith of the spire. Fire against evil, fire. Jah light blaze from me desire. Born in a pressure, but me live for bend. Every bruise on the road teach me how to mend. Them put chains on the spirit, lock jaw on the prayer. Still me plant 2 foot firm like me root there. River no stone and stone no rain. Even iron get weary when it can't repent. So me looking at the mirror, tell myself clear. Your body got scars, but your soul still here. Hear the drum, it a reason. Hear the heart, it a season. From my chest to the sky, me declare, no more crawling from fear. Rise from chains, rise from chains. Holy for fire run through my veins. Rise from chains, rise from chains. My spirit want free through the pain. Rise from chains, rise from chains. Babylon can't hold me name. Rise from chains, rise from chains. My born to stand up again. Them say stay small, but my mind too wide. Too much truth in the wound, them try hide. Me learn how to eat from a bare black plate. Still give thanks when the table stay late. One hand clap can't make no song. So me call on the weak, pull the strong along. If you got a question, ask tonight. By the darkest road, show the clearest light. Hear the drum, it a reason. Hear the heart, it a season. From my chest to the sky, me declare, no more crawling from fear. Rise from chains, rise from chains. Only for fire run through my veins. Rise from chains, rise from chains. My spirit want free through the pain. Rise from chains, rise from chains. Babylon can't hold me name. Rise from chains, rise from chains. My born to stand up again. When the dust settle, who's still there? Who still love when the light fade away? Not the mouth we chat, not the hand we point, but the one we heal the broken joint. So me lift up my chin, let the past fall down. Turn my hurt to a crown, turn my tear to a sound. Yeah, me walk with wisdom, me walk with grace. No chain can define my place. Rise from chains, rise from chains. Holy by fire run through my veins. Rise from chains, rise from chains. My spirit want free through the pain. Rise from chains, rise from chains. Babylon can't hold me name. Rise from chains, rise from chains. My born to stand up again. Say freedom no come in a bag. It grow like a tree from the cut and the drag. If your mind a prison, your foot them stay chained. But truth with the poor man can break every chain. Them sell your fear in a shiny top coat. Them hide the key while them talk pure hope. Yet one little thought can burn down abuse. When you know who you be, you can't stay loose. So lift up your head, no bow to the line. See through the smoke where the real thing hide. Wisdom of the lantern, it guide through the night. Freedom start first when you make your soul bright. Wisdom free, wisdom free, free. Take back your mind and walk in a peace. Wisdom free, free, wisdom free, free. China your heart, that's the key. Free up your soul. Wisdom free, free. Man talk about riches, but pockets stay cold. If your heart full of pies and your story get old, make them laugh if them want, make them point and chat. A humble little seed still bust through the cracks. Every step where you take with integrity, I build up a bridge to your destiny. Now sell out your name for your handful of crumbs. True liberty sweet when you hear it and So rise up brother, rise up sister too. The road may rough but the road sure true. When you stop to listen, the spirit get loud and you find your own flame in the crowd. Wisdom free, free. Wisdom free, free. Take back your mind and walk in a peace. Wisdom free, free. Wisdom just cry. Wisdom for free. Wisdom for free. Take back your mind and walk in happy. Wisdom for free. Wisdom for free. China your heart. That's the key. Free up your soul. Wisdom for free. Free up your soul. Wisdom for free. Me rise from the dust till me stand up straight. Heart full of fire when the pressure wait. Them want bend me will, want lock me fate. But truth too strong, it can't be late. Every little child I carry one seed. Some grow to a tree, some grow to greed. Life say watch how you move, watch how you breathe. Cause a man without soul can't plant no peace. So me sing to the stubborn ear, me sing to the broken will. If the road get long and hard, keep your head up, hold your guard. Justice and tongue, hear it now. Justice and tongue, we stand pro. Babylon rock, Juve still crown. Justice and tongue, rise up now. Justice and tongue. Me see the hungry, me see the fraud. One hand take while the next hand applaud. But every lie got a crack in it wall. Every false king got a date to fall. Enough pretty talk can't buy one day. Enough sharp suit can't wash in we stay. If you build pan fear, it mash up away. Only love and courage know the right highway. So me sing to the crowded street, to the weak and the mighty see. When the night too dark we see, justice live inside of we. Justice and tongue, hear it now. Justice and tongue, we stand pro. Babylon rock, but truth still crown. Justice and tongue, rise up now. Justice and tongue. Justice and tongue, stand up proud. Listen close, brethren, sister too. What you give out come right back to you. If you plant hate, you reap confusion. If you plant love, you build solution. No man above the law of the art. No storm, so while it tear up apart. From the mud we learn, from the pain we grow. Even one small flame can make a road glow. Justice and tongue, hear it now. Justice and tongue, we stand pro. Babylon rock, but truth still crown. Justice and tongue, rise up now. Justice and tongue, From down in the gutter to the mountain top, man get tested when the whole world flop. Babylon talk sweet but it thin like chalk. One good deed louder than the wicked mouth talk. Me watch them carry lie like it was gold in hand, but a truth cut clear like a steel in sand. When you know who you be, you can't lose road. Even bare feet still can carry a heavy yoke. So hold your head high, not about to fear every false and crack when the truth come near. Me say looking at the eye, you will find the guide. Righteous little flame, it a burn inside. Truth shall live, truth shall live. No lie can bury it. Truth shall live, truth shall live, truth shall live. Stand firm, my brethren, truth shall live. See beer man smile with a knife in a chest, then cry when the night bring the reason for test. But a clean heart move like a river run deep. It lift up the weak and it wake the sleep. If you plant good seed, then you know what grow. No need for beg son, the earth already know. Every child of Jah got a fire for light. Every honest word make the dark turn bright. So hold your head high, not about to fear every false chain crack when the truth come near. Me say looking at the eye, you will find the guide. Righteous little flame, it a burn inside. Truth shall live, truth shall live. No lie can bury it. Truth shall live, truth shall live, truth shall live. Stand firm, my brethren, truth shall live. When the system shake and the cowards run, truth stay solid like the iron sun. Me no beg favor from a crooked hand. Me trod straight road, me faith will stand. Sun talk soft but the soul still tense. Babylon try bend, we back to the ground. But roots grow deep where the lost get found. Me see the old man smile through pain like a dry sky promise it soon come rain. Every crack in the road tell truth, every scar in the heart stay proof. So hold firm, brethren, hold your ground. Hear that drum when it roll around. If them lock the door, spirit still slide through. What was born in fire can be untrue. Freedom never dies, freedom never dies. Though them chain the hands, the spirit still rise. Freedom never dies, freedom never dies. Babylon past, but true, no hide. Them themselves here in a pretty coat. Try drown hope in a sinking boat, but my mind a kingdom, my chest a drum. Even in the dark, light still come. Make them talk, make them scheme, make them plan. Earth still turn from the same old hand. One love more than a speech or sign is a breadfruit tree and a strong right mind. So hold firm, brethren, hold your ground. Hear that drum when it roll around. If them lock the door, spirit still slide through. What was born in fire can't be untrue. Freedom never dies. Freedom never dies. Though them chain the hands, the spirit still rise. Freedom never dies. Freedom never dies. Babylon pass, but truth no high. Tell me who can stop a river mount when it carving road through the dead drought? Who can cage the breeze in a wire and stick? Who can break a vow when the soul gets thick? My whole life a lesson, my whole chest a fire. Pain turn teacher and truth climb higher. So when you feel like surrender, come near. Remember your name, remember why you're here. Freedom never dies. Freedom never dies. Though them chain the hands, the spirit still rise. Freedom never dies. Freedom never dies. Babylon pass, but truth no high. So walk good, walk bold, let your story unfold. Freedom in a bone, freedom in a soul. Freedom never dies. Freedom never dies. Concrete jungle, heart be strong. Generations carry on. Ancestors whispers in the breeze, planting seeds of what must be. Them try for dim all the light, but we burning never bright. Rebel legacy flowing through our veins. Wash away the sorrow, wash away the pain. Stand up tall like a mighty tree. Freedom is our destiny. Crumble to the ground. Truth and justice will be found. No surrender, no retreat. Every step a victory sweet. From Them build the road pan crooked hand, but truth still walk through every land. Me see the poor man bend like Cain, still him heart clean through the rain. When life get fat and justice thin, a righteous soul a fi rise again. Me nah bow down fi no false crown. Me plant good seed in a hard dry ground. Tell me now, who guard the gate? Who lift the weak before too late? If breath in your chest, if hope still live, then stand up straight and learn to give. Stand for justice, stand for truth, stand for justice, from learn to you. No sell your soul for a pocket full of gold. Stand for justice, brave and bold. Me hear the hungry pan the corner cry, see the bright-eyed picnic asking why. When greed a laugh and mercy fade, we have to be the light we made. Man can't eat if him spirit dead, can't build a bridge from fear and dread. So walk with grace, but step with fire. Every good heart raised higher and higher. Tell me now, who guard the gate? Who lift the weak before too late? If breath in your chest, if hope still live, then stand up straight and learn to give. Stand for justice, stand for truth, stand for justice, from you to you. No sell your soul for a pocket full of gold. Stand for justice, brave and bold. Babylon love when you turn it down. Want your head low, want your faith so low. But every chain got a breaking point. Every lion know him rightful voice. So when them pressure, chant and pray. Let conscience lead the way. One people, one earth, one love inside. Justice rise like morning light. Stand for justice, stand for truth, stand for justice, from you to you. No sell your soul for a pocket full of gold. Stand for justice, brave and bold. Stand for justice, hear me say. Stand for justice every day. From me born me carry fire in a bone. Lion blood me now walk alone. Mud pon me shoes, rain pon me face. Still me hold firm, still me keep grace. Them want me bend, want see me fall, but a Jah give strength when trouble call. Whole heap of noise in a Babylon yard. Still me heart clean, still me work hard. Say who feel it now? When the drum go low, road get rough, still me move. Lion blood, that a me proof. Lion blood, stand up tall. Lion blood, now go stall. Lion blood, rise when me fall. Lion blood, answer the call. Stand up tall. Lion blood. Me learn from the river, it no rush nowhere. It cut through stone with patient care. Me learn from the tree in a dry season. Drop leaf, keep root, that a real reason. If you're lost today, no shame in the night. Morning still come with a fresh new light. One small seed turn, all hill green. So keep your spirit clean, keep your dream lean. Say who feel it now, when the drum go low. Trouble come and trouble go. Lion blood make it so. Lion blood, stand up tall. Lion blood, now go style. Lion blood, rise when me fall. Lion blood, answer the call. Stand up tall. Lion blood. Hear me now, you take time and see. Truth no grow in a vanity. Chain can shine but soul more bright. Freedom live in our works and right. So if them press order your soul. One with purpose, keep your goal. Me say every storm got a way fi end. And every lion know fi stand again. Lion blood, stand up tall. Lion blood, now go style. Lion blood, rise when me fall. Lion blood, answer the call. Lion blood, heart no cold. Lion blood, spirit bold. Lion blood, story unfold. Lion blood, pure gold. Stand up tall. Lion blood. From the root we rise, out of concrete and pain. Babylon won't break we, but we stand up same. Ancient truth are moving on me chest like flame. Every little breath spell out freedom name. See the moon keep turning, same way trials go. River cut stone, yes, soft but it no. If you lose your footing, still the road can grow. Take the lesson, brethren, and make the wisdom show. So when the night get heavy and your heart feel low, hold the line, watch the new day grow. Eternal revolution, turn the wheel, eternal revolution. We rise again, we will. Eternal revolution, from the dust to the dance. Eternal revolution, Jah people carry on. Man no born fi kneel, man born fi understand. Love is not a weak thing, it's a righteous hand. Plant one seed of courage in a barren land. Soon enough the whole field dressed in green again. Who just full gold, lose sight of the sun. Who guard them grudges, never feel the drum. But if you bend like bamboo, you never truly done. You can swing back stronger when the storm a come. Listen child, the chain them can rattle and fall. Truth moves silent, yet it answer every call. One heart, one fire, one voice over all. We build new world when we at all. Eternal revolution. Turn the wheel, turn the wheel. Eternal revolution. We rise and grow real. Eternal revolution. From the dust to the dawn. Eternal revolution. Jah people carry on. So walk with faith and keep your reason bright. Even broken seeds still reach the light. Eternal revolution, moving through the night. Yeah. Eternal revolution, everything alive.